Each spring, the Federal Aviation Administration, Oakland International Airport, and community partners come together to host local school kids for a day of exploration and exposure to careers in aviation.
We're here today for Aviation Day. It is put on by the Port of Oakland Social Responsibility Division. It is a big day for us here at the Oakland Airport.
Each participating partner provides the group with a tour, a hands-on activity, and a featured speaker. First stop, the Federal Aviation Administration's Air Traffic Control Tower at Oakland International Airport.
It's just a good opportunity to expose kids into different basically avenues that you can actually, and career paths that you can have in aviation.
My favorite part was when we went in the tower. It's like they help you saying it's clear for taking off or it's clear for landing.
It's really exciting. I don't know what's going to happen. We're not going to have to.
Mostly the airplanes. I've actually never seen one up close, so seeing one right now is a big experience for me.
Next, with sweet treats, inspirational speakers, and a visit to the tarmac, Southwest Airlines brings lots of heart to Aviation Day.
I wanted to be a pilot when I was 4 years old. That's what I told my dad I was going to be. Well, I told my dad I was going to travel for a living, and he said, "That's not a job, pick a job." And I said I wanted to be a pilot. Find a passion and stick with it, whatever it is that you choose to do. And we'll love to see you here being a pilot when you're 23.
We're here at the Oakland Aviation Museum.
From Amelia Earhart to Lindbergh, to the very first U.S. mainland flight to Hawaii, Oakland's roots run deep in aviation history. Students learn all about that history at the Oakland Aviation Museum.
I learned that Bessie Coleman was the first African-American pilot.
I never knew that people in the old days was able to actually make engines like these.
One cycle, it sucks air in. The next cycle, it compresses the air, adds the fuel, boom, it explodes. That's called the power stroke because it's pushing down on the piston. So that's the basis of operation.
I learned like a lot of how the controls, like how the plane moves left and right and how they go up and down, like the elevation. How they go like rotate, like if you're turning, you gotta rotate, and you also gotta turn the benders, what it's called.
It was wonderful to see how excited the students were at all the different parts of the day.
After learning about the history of flight and different types of aircraft engines, the students get some hands-on practice at the Aviation Institute of Mechanics.
At the Maintenance Institute, they got to go through a couple of different stations and do some hands-on activities.
The day runs smoothly with the help of parent volunteers who find their own special inspiration during the day.
I'm glad that he has exposure to the aviation components, like the educational outreach, the community part of it, because he ordinarily wouldn't have that type of exposure in a normal school setting.
And then every time that I'm in school, I just every time I think of homework, I just think of it like it's training to become a pilot.
The more we can expose young people to what aviation is, gives them an opportunity to kind of make choices, decide if they're interested in, and they're able to touch it, able to see it, and that will give them a chance going forward to kind of have an interest and maybe pursue it as a career.
It feels really good because I'm able to learn different things and how planes work, and one day I can be a flight attendant or a pilot.
For the children, a fun day of activities can plant a seed that may bloom for a lifetime. Certainly the memories will last as long, thanks to the partners who made it all possible.